Want to know a way to start a t-shirt business with no inventory, no t-shirt blanks to buy, no screen printing, no DTG machine, no vinyl cutter to buy, and everything gets shipped out for you and you don't have to do a thing? Well, the answer's coming right up in this video right now. What's up, guys? Gary Ejene, and I know I said a mouthful in that intro, but this is the real deal here. This is print on demand like you've never seen it before. A new take on print on demand. I want to introduce to you Printify. Okay, all right, Printify. Now, I mentioned it once before, but this one is a formal introduction. Okay, Printify is a print on demand service, but it's a little bit different in that it's not just one service in one place that you buy and they ship everything out. It actually gives you a choice of different print providers so you can choose which one is best for your business. You can choose based on blank, you can choose based on pricing, you can choose based on production time. Some of them have a short production time. Some of them have a time that's a little bit longer. They're all short production times, but some is just a little bit longer. And they're all in different locations. So if you're in a certain part of the US and you want to choose a provider that's close to you, you can do that. Also, if you're in the UK, there's a provider in Great Britain, okay? So if you want to do stuff in Europe, you have that choice. Not only do you get the choice of different t-shirts, they have so many other awesome products to choose from. Let's take a look. All right, guys, you can see right here, there is clothing. You have t-shirts, men's t-shirts from all different types of vendors. You have women's clothing, women's t-shirts, okay, from all different type of vendors. And in both of these, you don't just have t-shirts, you have hoodies and all that good stuff. You even have sublimation. You can do all over printing. I mean, it's crazy. You also have bags and accessories, little tote bags, carry bags, knapsacks. I mean, and you can do printing. Everything that I'm showing you, you can do printing, even accessories, okay, jewelry. I mean, it's crazy. And not only that, you can also do art and wall decor. All of these you can hang on your walls. You can do posters, pictures. You can do clocks. So many different things, including shower curtains, bath mats. I mean, microfiber duvets. I mean, mugs. And there's one thing right here you can also do, which is yoga mats. Where are those yoga mats? Right here in accessories, your yoga mat is crazy. And this is just a few of the things you can do at Printify. All right, guys, that was awesome. Another great thing about Printify is your ability to integrate with the biggest e-commerce platforms on the planet. That's right, Shopify, Etsy, and WooCommerce, which is WordPress, which is the biggest website creation platform on the planet. Okay, all of that sounds good, but let's take a look under the hood. All right, this is Printify. This is what you're gonna see when you first get here. Let me go ahead and log in. All right, now once you get in, you can see that you can go right over here to the left and you can choose what you want to print on, the print providers, the brands, your favorites, new arrivals, and you can see all the good stuff that, well, this is just men's that you can print on. It's really, really simple. Also, you can print on canvas sneakers. I mean, I didn't even show that. And flip-flop. I mean, this place is awesome. It just goes on and on and on. And that's pretty much it. It's so simple. All right, so now we're going to sign up for an account. I mean, it's just like any place online. So let's show you how it's done. Just go right up here to the top and hit sign up, or if you already remember, hit log in, but we're gonna hit sign up. Right, you wanna enter your email, continue. You're gonna make a password for this bad boy. I am not a robot. I am a man. Okay, create an account. And that's some of the policies. Of course, I accept. Bam. Note now. What is your store name? Okay, so we're just gonna call our store we'll call it T-shirt help desk store. Why the hell not? All right, so now you're gonna add in your address. Okay, let's go. Saved successfully. That's how easy it is. Now, boom, let's start. How easy was that? So let's go in and let's create a product. Let's make a t-shirt. All right, so we're in the back end of Printify. And this is the catalog page, all right? And what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a t-shirt, but I just wanna go through a couple of things to give you an overview first, all right? We're gonna take a t-shirt and we're gonna put it here on my Shopify store. This is a Shopify theme available at tshirthelpdesk.com. Awesome theme. These are our t-shirts here, and I'm gonna add a t-shirt. It's gonna come right here, okay? So this theme is available at tshirthelpdesk.com. Awesome Shopify theme. And this is the Shopify platform. Now I'm showing you all of these things because there's a few tricky little things that you have to keep in mind when doing this, okay? So let's get back and let's make our product. So I'm actually gonna make a women's product. So I'm gonna go down here to women's clothing. And of course, I'm gonna choose the Bella canvas. So right now we have our women's favorite tee, and you can go down here, you can choose. This is a great thing. You can choose which provider you're gonna go with. They have one in Florida, Michigan, and one here in the UK. I told you about that before. So you can go by production time. You can go by geographic location. Okay, they have one here in the UK. It's whatever you want to do. Right now, I'm just going to go with Florida. All right, there we go. And you have your color and you have your artwork. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to post our artwork. So we're going to go right here, add your design. I have some artwork already here, but we're going to do a new upload. Choose file, and you go in and you add your artwork. All right, so I added the love piece and hair grease. So I'm gonna select that and bam, look at that. And the great thing about this, you can go right here and you can go up and down and choose how big you want your artwork. I'm just gonna move this one up. I want it a little bit higher, okay? Now we're gonna go in, we're gonna go up right here and we're gonna add our colors. There's a lot of colors in that, so I'm only going to do black and white. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go right here and click and get rid of everything. Okay, and now I'm going to go and I'm going to choose, I'm going to click on white and I'm going to click on black because that's all I want. I don't want any of the other stuff. Okay, and it comes in these colors, but if I didn't want one of these sizes, I can click and say, you know, I don't want 2X or I don't want small, but all these are fine. Save. And like that, we're gonna save and continue. Look at that. We have our shirt, all right, looking beautiful. And I'm going to continue again. And we're just gonna call this one Love, Peace, and Hair Grease Tea. And right here's your description. It's already done for you, but if you wanted to go in and change and add some stuff, you can go right ahead. So we're just gonna leave that and press continue. And right here is where the money is made, okay? So you can go right in here and you can add the price. Now you're gonna see right here that this is your costs that you're gonna pay, and this right here is the cost that you're gonna charge. And in the difference is your profit. So if we go right here, we're gonna put $24.99. Oh, 99. Okay, and you see your profit right there, 10 bucks. All right, so I'm just gonna copy that. Put that in for all the sizes, and there you go. Continue. Okay, we just did the pricing. Before we connect the store, let's get into how you actually collect money. All right, now after all of that's done, you need a way to collect your money. So let me show you how to set up the payment system. All right, so you simply go up to the green round little button up here. It's gonna be whatever initials you put in. And then you're gonna click on that and it's gonna give you a drop down. And you simply wanna go to payment. All right, and right here is, you can do it a couple of ways. You can use a credit card, just go in, add your credit card information and you're all set. Or you can add your PayPal and you go right here and you enter an amount, 100, 200, 300, and you transfer that money in so that anytime you make a sale, it'll take from that balance. So how it works is this: whenever you make a sale, they take it out of your balance from PayPal, or they charge your credit card $10, $12, whatever it is it costs. You sell it on your platform, Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, right? When you make the sale, Printify gets paid and then you get paid your profit. It's as simple as that. All right, now back to where we were. All right, just wanted to show you guys the money part. So back to where we were. We created our products. They're up here in the store. That's where all your products are stored. And now we are going to connect our store to Shopify. Okay. All right, guys, we are about to connect this store. All right, I want you to pay very close attention and watch the steps. Okay, just pay close attention because this could be a little confusing because there's different stores being made. But if you just do it right, you're gonna go straight to your store and everything's gonna be good. So let's get into it. So we're gonna click on Connect Store. And of course, we're gonna click Shopify, all right? So we're gonna go right here, and this is my store right here. And I'm gonna copy the whole URL, and I'm gonna paste it, but you don't need all of this right here. All you need is this. Okay, so that first part, the HTTPS and the semicolon backslash, you don't need that. So we're gonna click continue. Now you can see at the top it says you are about to install the Printify app. And you can see right here that the store is called T-Shirt Help Desk Store, which is the name of the Shopify store, but the Printify store is just T-Shirt Help Desk. But you're gonna see everything is gonna correct itself. So let's get this app installed. Okay, so now you can see that once you go through, your store is here, okay? And if you go right here and you're in Shopify, if you go right here to My Store, you can see that this product is here, all right? So now what you wanna go to do is you wanna hit publish, all right? So now that Love, Peace, and Hair Grease, has been created. So let's go over here to our products. So let's click on products. And you can see the Love, Peace, and Hair Grease. That's actually right here, okay? But the difference is it doesn't have a, let's click on it. Both of these are here, but it doesn't have a thumbnail. So we're just gonna add a thumbnail real quick. So we're gonna click on add images. We have old girl right here. It's a great little thumbnail. We're gonna choose. And there she is. But what we're gonna do is right now, this is the main thumbnail. We're gonna take her and we're gonna move her right over here. Nice. Okay, there's one more thing you need to do is that, and if you know anything about Shopify, is you want to add this to the collection. So the collection is going to be on home page. So that means that now you're going to see these, you're going to see this one on the home page. So save, and let's click on online store. Now let's click customize. You're gonna go down and you can see that she is there, right? She's right there where she ought to be, okay? And just like that, you have added a style that you're selling right here on Shopify. So let's go to that front page. And you see it's not there. And there she goes. You are now selling a t-shirt, and it is as simple as that. And there you have it. Printify and Shopify. Compton and Long Beach together, now you know you in trouble. Anyway, my overall take on it is that it's a really great service. I mean, the fact that this print-on-demand thing is catching on, and these guys have really, I think they have taken it to a whole nother level. The fact that they have the different providers in different parts of the United States and in the UK just takes it to a whole nother level. It's like the Uber of the print-on-demand industry, all right? You're not dealing with a place that's stuck in one spot. You understand what I'm saying? So I think that's great. I would say the only drawback or con would be the integration. If you just go straight through Shopify, it's really smooth. But if you already have an account, and let's just say you're on WooCommerce or Etsy, and now you want to switch over to Shopify, it can be a little tricky. And also, I think that they need to have it so that when you start when you're in Shopify and you add the Printify app, it automatically makes an account for you using your Shopify information. I think that that's great if they're coming from scratch, but if they already have an account, it could cause some confusion. So I think it just should be an option, just like anything. Log in or sign up. That would just alleviate any of the problems. Also, and I know that this is going to come with time, is that when they do start to expand, it would be great if they had some providers on the East Coast, in the South, and the Midwest, and some more parts of Europe, New Zealand, South Africa, Australia. But I know all of that's coming in time. I know I'm being a little bit greedy right now. But it's a great service. I strongly suggest that you go down to the link in the description box and check them out. And also go up to the card and subscribe to the Printify channel. They have a channel right here on YouTube. And if you think this video was something, they just give so much really phenomenal information about the company. For you guys who are getting into the t-shirt industry, I don't know. This is the perfect place to start, because it really it costs you virtually nothing, and you can get so much knowledge and so much know-how of the t-shirt industry for a very, very low, if not, no startup costs. All right, so get into the t-shirt industry right now. All right, Printify. Okay, and as always, guys, do something good for somebody. If you don't have anyone to do something good for, do something good for yourself. You know what I'm finna do, right? I'm finna put some butter on these shoes and slide on out the door. Until next time, peace and God bless. And of course, cheers to your t-shirts. I'ma holla. Peace.